So I know the video yesterday was short about going to St. John, but we're going to be going back here tomorrow. Today's Tuesday on our trip and we leave Friday. A lot of my family is going to be leaving the Virgin Islands now, so we're definitely going into full video making mode. So we're going to get some awesome content here at the Virgin Islands. And we're at Sapphire Beach again, where we're staying for a beautiful sunrise. So enjoy these views. Alright, so before we head down to Lindquist Beach, me and my nephew Gianni, right there with the net, we spotted like 10 iguanas, so we're gonna go get some awesome shots of these iguanas. What do you think about all these iguanas, buddy? Yo, be careful. Don't get too close to them. Yeah, look at all of these iguanas. And there's some more over there. Well, buddy, we thought we were done looking for iguanas. And then there's another one. All right, now that we're done looking at the iguanas, we're gonna head to Lindquist Beach. See you guys over there. All right, we're here at Lindquist Beach. We're about to go snorkel, hopefully see some sea turtles, and check out how beautiful the views are on this beach. All right, I'm switched over to the GoPro for this one. And hopefully you guys can hear me. I got the dive case on, but we're about to go see if we can see some sea turtles. So, wish us luck. Be careful, it'll bite you. He's ready to bite you.
Yes?
Yeah. Well, unfortunately, as you guys saw, we didn't see any sea turtles at Lindquist Beach, but it was some awesome snorkeling still. So if you got a day here in St. Thomas, I definitely recommend it. Now we're getting ready to head to Charlotte Amalie, where we're going to be doing 99 steps, possibly Blackbeard's Castle, and we're hoping to end at Drake's Seat for sunset over Megan's Bay. I don't know which way the sun's going to be setting from Drake's Seat, but regardless, it's going to be beautiful. And then after that, we're going to Tickle's Dockside Pub. So let's head to Charlotte Amalie. We made it to downtown Charlotte Amalie. There's a couple cruise ships in town. Now we're all headed to 99 Step in Blackbeard's Castle. We made it to 99 steps. It's going to be a long way up. So I already know there's not actually 99 steps, but we got our boy Gianni up there in the front counting all the steps for us. So we'll give him an update on how many steps there are when he's done. All right, G, how many steps were there actually?
101.
You were close, it's 103. All that just for the castle to still be closed. That was still pretty fun though.
Hell yeah.
So Britt and I came to Blackbeard's Castle too, and it was also closed back in 2020, and we were informed by a guy who was cleaning one of the bronze statues out front. It's actually been closed for a while, so if you're coming to St. Thomas, you might want to avoid going to Blackbeard's Castle. Hopefully they find someone to take over the ownership, reopen it soon. But now we're going to go up to Drake's Seat for sunset. Now to end our night, we're going to Tickle's.
It all sounds good.
This is the menu for the day, folks.
Oh, I think I know,